and.
Hello students! Welcome back with me, Miss Nadia Kalsumulaya, your English teacher. So how are you today? I hope you are in a great condition and ready for studying English, of course. So, before we start our lesson today, I would like to ask you, have you heard about suffix and prefix? You have heard about those two things? Okay, if you have heard, please write down your own definition of suffix and prefix. And we will compare to the definition that I will explain to you. Got it? Okay, so let's discover what suffix and prefix. Suffix and prefix are word part that added at the beginning and the end of a word. So prefix is word part that added at the beginning of a word. So let's take an example. The word passion with word part or prefix im become impassion, or it means not passions. From that example, you can comprehend that prefix change the meaning of the word or change the meaning of an adjective. Let's take a look at another example. The word happy added with the word part an, it becomes unhappy. You change the meaning from the word happy become unhappy, which means sad or angry. Another example of word part that considered as a prefix are, first one, im. Second one, this. Third one, ear. And the last one, it can be ill. The example of ill, from the word legal, added by word part ill become illegal. Word regular added with ear become irregular. The word this, the word like become dislike. So those words become the opposite meaning of a root word. Miss, what is a root word? A root word is the actual word that added with the prefix or suffixes. Do you get it, students? So when a root word added with a word part prefix, it becomes the negative meaning of the root word. Another example, the word social added with word part anti, it becomes antisocial. So it becomes the opposite meaning or the negative meaning of the root word. So now let's continue with the second material, suffix. So what is suffix? Suffix is a group of words that added at the end of root word to slightly change the meaning of the root word itself. So let's take a look at an example. The root word is walk, and then the suffix is ing. So it becomes walking. So it only changed slight meaning of it. From the word walk means walking, it becomes walking. You are now walking. So only change slight meaning of it. Another example of suffix is er. ER. So example, the word small become smaller added with suffix er. So it's only changed slight meaning of it from the word small become smaller. Do you get it, student? Example, the boy is smaller than the girl. Another example of suffix is the word ed. So when a root word added with ed, it symbolizes past tense or verb to. So example, the word walk, it becomes walked if we add it with ed. So it's only changed the slight meaning of it. So what is the difference between prefix and suffix? Prefix is part of word part that added at the beginning of root word, while suffix is group of words that added at the end of root words. So that's the big difference between prefix and suffix. So do you think that your definition at the beginning of this video correlate with the definition that I gave you previously? You can check your answer. So now I will test your understanding about our lesson today. Let's start with the first questions. If the root word is able and it added at the beginning with the word un, un, it becomes correct, unable. The second question, if the word play added with suffix ed, it becomes correct, played, verb 2 of play. So now this is the end of our lesson today. Before we end, I would like you to write down the definition that I've mentioned previously and see whether your previous answer correlates with my definition. For your assignment, I would like you to answer these questions. If you cannot read it here, you may check on your learning platform to check the assignment, and please submit it before the classroom starts. So that's all for our learning today, students. Thank you for listening. See you!